welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and color this wig. I've already constructed this wig, but if you need instructions on how to make a wig, you can refer back to my previous video. So today I'm gonna go for more dark brown roots and ash blonde tips. So we're gonna go ahead and begin coloring this wig today. By the way, this wig is platinum blonde. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my Textures and Tones 5G Light Golden Brown, which comes with intensive moisturizing conditioner. Step 1 being the level 5 developer, and step 2 the color activating cream. I'm also using ragtail comb and an edge brush that has a comb tip and a brush on the other end. This packaging came with 2 pair of gloves. So the instructions say to leave this on for about 30 minutes, but I left it on for about 40. So you want to begin by mixing step 1 with step 2. You can leave out step 3 and have it as an option if you want to use that as a conditioner. In my opinion, I use more protein-based conditioners when I do dye my hair. So I did not use the step 3 once dyeing this hair. In order to make this process easier, I would say shake up your contents into the bottle and go ahead and pour it in a Tupperware container so that you can use your edge brush to apply the product much easier instead of having to use that tip to pour the product onto the hair. Also, remember to take your time. If need be, you can stop, take a quick break, and then continue. I know this process alone took me 1 hour to complete. So as you can see, I'm just using my edge brush to brush the roots, and I'm not dragging it down much farther using my comb, just enough to have a smooth transition between the roots and the tip. So this is the final result of the color. I use the Shimmer Light shampoo to wash my color out, and this is the result of it. It completely destroyed my roots. For future references, do not use Shimmer Light shampoo to wash out your 613 hair. This hair is very, very fragile to this shampoo and will stain very quickly. I would say just use regular shampoo, but I was trying to get out the yellow tones in the hair. But we're gonna fix this. I'm gonna go in with my T35 Wella Charm toner. I'm gonna leave that on for 30 minutes, but I'm gonna apply the toner completely on the entire wig, including the frontal unit and also the tracks in the back. The toner states that it's okay to apply on damp to towel dry hair. So this is the result of what the toner has done. I'm actually very pleased with the results because the purple is not as pigmented as it was before. The hair is light purple towards more blondish, but this is definitely a start to recovery. So here I began the coloring process. I went ahead and used the color stick by Revlon. I used the 30 in dark brown on my roots, and I used the dark blonde 61 on my tips. And so I left this color on for about 30 minutes. As you can see, this is the final product of the color. I'm very excited at the finishing products, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to blow dry and flat iron this hair. Make sure your heating tools are not above 350. This hair has freshly been dyed and chemically treated, and your hair will burn if you have it on high heat. But as you can see, there's still some purple left in the hair, but it's more towards the bottom. As you guys can see, when I work my way up, the purple kind of disappears and fades out, and that's because most of the purple is towards the bottom, which I'm very pleased with. I'm actually not worried about that. I'm gonna also take my Fantasia Frizz Buster and use that product in order to fight the frizz on this hair and flat iron it so that it can be as silky as possible. Once I get towards the frontal, I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb and make the hair as flat as possible. This also helps smooth the hair out and blend both colors. As you can see, my frontal is a little darker because it is different types of hair. This is the final result. I'm very pleased with the final result. I went ahead and curled this hair and installed it myself. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will insert more clips on the final result. But thank you. See you all soon in my next video. Stay tuned.